Hi students, today I want to show you how to add your week 8 reflection to your ePortfolio. So from your main classroom page, go to classwork, click, and then on the left hand side, click on ePortfolios. Then you need to find your ePortfolio. So I am just going to click on a student's here. There we go. Okay, so when you get in there, you are going to see that you have got the week 8 reflection. So what you need to do is click and drag that week 8 reflection into the About Me folder and move. Then I like to just double check. I want to double click on that About Me to see if it is in there. Let's see. There's a lot of them. This student is very well organized. Yes, there is the week 8 reflection. Seems to be kind of big. I'm going to click here and make things smaller. Great. Okay, so now you go back and you click on your name, and then you need to go to the inventory sheets. Double click, and then you're going to double click on the CLB5 PBLA master inventory picture. Now you want to arrow down to the bottom, or you don't actually have to arrow. Just click on this tab, All About Me. And here you see the inventory page. And now I'm going to arrow down until I get to, wow, this student has done all of the reflections. Excellent work. So here we're down to row 10, and we're going to write the date. And I indicated you're going to write March 9th, 2021. And right here we can type in week 8 reflection. Okay, so now I can go back by, let's see, clicking the back arrow. And I'm just going to go close this. And it's taking me back to this main page. And then I can close this. And, oh, got a lot of, I opened it a few times. And here we are back in the classroom. So that is how you add your week 8 reflection to your ePortfolio.